What are you guys doing? There's some fireworks outside. What are you guys? What? You can't. What are you guys doing? There's a dog. There's another dog. This is my room. You don't come in my room. This is a weird. No, there's the other dog. There's. And of all places, why are you under my desk? Like you have all this space here. But you both decided to sit and lay down under my desk. Ow! I just crushed my toe. Ow! That hurt actually. Ow! Alright, I'm gonna go before these guys break all my stuff. And before I hurt myself again. What are you eating? Are you just licking the floor now? Yeah, I think he's licking the floor. Alright. Have any last words?